How to download TikTok videos without Watermark. Normally, when you download a video using TikTok's own download option, the video does get saved to your phone, but it comes with the TikTok watermark on it, and that can be pretty annoying. So recently, I found an app that I've personally been using for the past few days, and it's actually pretty simple and useful, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. You'll find the app link in the description of this video. Tap on it, and it'll take you directly to Video Download app on the Play Store. From here, simply tap on Install. The app is only around 17 megabytes, so it should download pretty quickly, depending on your internet speed. Once it's installed, tap on Open. Now right at the top, you'll see the search or enter URL bar. So instead of manually searching for a video, you can simply paste its URL here and open it directly. And this isn't limited to TikTok either. Right now, the app also supports X, formerly known as Twitter, Facebook, and Dailymotion. Now let me show you how to actually download a TikTok video. Open TikTok. Find the video you want to download, tap on Share, and then tap on Copy Link. Now open Video Download app again, and as you can see, it automatically detects the link I just copied, so instead of manually pasting anything, simply tap on View Now. After that, your video will open, and you'll see this message saying, Video detected, tap the floating button to download, so simply tap on this purple download button, and the video will start downloading. Now this method works perfectly fine, but switching between TikTok and the app every time can get a little lengthy, so there's actually a much faster way to do the same thing. Go back to TikTok, tap on Share again, scroll across, and tap on More. From the sharing options, find the Video Download app icon and tap on it. This automatically opens the video inside the app, so there's no need to manually copy and paste the link. From here, just tap on the purple download button. While the video is downloading, you'll see it under the processing tab, and once it's finished, it'll automatically move to completed. Now, I can play it directly from here, and more importantly, the TikTok watermark is completely gone. And if I open my phone's file manager, you can see that the same video has also been saved locally to my phone, without the watermark. But if you're super lazy like me and want an even easier way, there's actually one more option. Remember those TikTok, X, Facebook, and Dailymotion icons we saw on the home screen? They're not just there to show which platforms the app supports. Video Download has a built-in browser, so you can actually open TikTok directly inside the app. From here, you can browse videos normally, and whenever you find a vlog, funny clip, short video, or another TikTok you want to save, you don't even need to open the share menu. Just tap the download button directly, and the app will download it for you. And now, if I play it, there's no TikTok watermark on this one either. And if you want the additional features, Video Download also has a premium option. With Premium, you get unlimited downloads, high-speed downloading, no ads, and support for higher quality downloads, including 1080p, 2K, and 4K. There's also a 3-day free trial, so you can try the premium features before deciding whether you want to keep it. So if you want to check out Video Download app, you'll find the link in both the description and the pinned comment. That's it. If you found this video helpful, do like and subscribe.